Rare for us to say that we're tracking a hurricane affecting us, but that's exactly what we're doing. And here's Megan.
Yeah, very, very rare, right? It happens, as we just heard from Adam, but yes, it is very rare. And we have seen a little bit of rain. Most of the accumulations have been less than 1/10 of an inch. So I know a lot of green showing up on our Pinpoint Doppler Live. Most of that's evaporating before it reaches the surface, but it's cloudy, it is hot, and it is humid. And yes, those clouds are from Hurricane K. In fact, we have some thunderstorm activity just south of Las Vegas. Those are the outer bands of this massive storm system. It is still a Category 1 hurricane. It is expected to be downgraded to a tropical storm and then move really close to us. It's actually on the very low end of a Category 1 hurricane right now. Temperatures are in the 90s for a lot of areas, and if you're not in the 90s, you're pretty close to it inland, but even downtown is at 90 degrees right now. And that chance for rain really builds as we head into the day tomorrow. If you can avoid being on the roadways tomorrow, I would absolutely suggest it, especially if you don't have working windshield wipers or your tires are really not great. They don't have good tread. Avoid the roadways tomorrow if you can. It is still going to be hot, 90s for the coast and inland neighborhoods, exceptionally strong winds. Now, the mountain and desert areas, you'll actually cool off tomorrow. We're all going to feel the wind, but in particular, the mountain areas is where we could see gusts up to 80 miles per hour. Down trees and power outages are a concern with this. Heading into Friday morning, this is at 8:30 in the morning. The mountain and the desert areas are going to be getting dumped on, and that really doesn't end all day tomorrow, and that's where that flood threat is really exceptionally high. The coast and inland neighborhoods, I think most of the rain for us is going to be mostly in the afternoon into the overnight hours, lingering into early Saturday, but even during the day on Saturday, this is like 6:30 Saturday night, we're still going to see periods of rain. It's just not going to be as excessive as what we're going to see tomorrow. You're going to see that excessive rainfall outlook really taking a bullseye in Southern California, San Diego, the mountains and the deserts in particular, and then it gets a little bit more widespread, but not as impactful coming through on Saturday. So peak timing, I think, is going to be a 24-hour period between about 7 and 9 a.m. tomorrow morning through about 7 and 8 a.m. Saturday morning. That doesn't mean it ends then. We're going to continue to see rain into Saturday afternoon, Sunday, even potentially into Monday. Most areas are going to pick up 1 to 2 inches of rainfall. Now, depending on when this storm actually turns left is really going to determine how much rain we see in a lot of the coast and inland neighborhoods. Just to give you perspective, some of the models show us getting 1/4 of an inch. Some of us have us getting 1.5 inches for areas like downtown. So there's quite a spread, but I think most areas will get about 1 to 2 inches of rain. We're all going to be feeling that wind. The mountain and the desert areas, we're looking at 2 to 6 inches of rainfall, locally up to 8 inches of rainfall. We do cool off, but it is going to be a lot more humid this weekend. 80s in the forecast. Tonight is going to be exceptionally warm. Most areas will only drop to about 78 to 81 degrees into the morning hours tomorrow. So yes, that does mean we're not going to see big temperature swings during the day tomorrow. Temperatures are going to be in the 90s tomorrow inland, but then 80s over the weekend. The mountain areas cool off to the 70s starting tomorrow, 60s briefly on Saturday. Storm chance does linger in the mountain and desert areas through Monday. Again, that all depends on when this system turns left, but 80s and 90s for the rest of the week in the deserts.